everyone. I'm in the garden and just there's a bit of sunshine after the rain. I'm looking for the sun here. I'm sorry. Gosh, I can't get to the sun. Right? I don't see it. Anyway. So yes, I'm just gonna talk a bit about grounding. So I'm in the garden with my bare feet, just doing a bit of grounding because I'm feeling spacey, like there's energy flowing on in me, like a lot. So yes, just if you feel floating, or if you receive energy work and then you're feeling like that is excess energy in you, just go to the, if you have access to the ground, the garden, be on your bare feet and just breathe in and then breathe out. When you breathe out, think of releasing any excess energy back to Mother Earth, and then breathe in the energy from the nature, from the sky, from the sunlight, and then release and imagine that you have roots coming down from your feet, going deep down, connect to the earth. It's just a few minutes in the garden.